So in this video we're going to investigate the behaviour of a thermistor. Now thermistors, thermal, thermometer, mean they are thermistors that react to temperature. So what we're going to do in this video is going to show you how to use, again, Scratch I've done for this, to see what happens as we increase the temperature on this thermometer to the voltage and current that go through it. So what I would like you to do, in Excel again, this time we're going to have a column for temperature rather than light intensity. This is going to be in degrees Celsius from 0 to 100. The voltage is going to be 9 all the time. And I'd like you to measure the current going through it. You can see at 0 temperature we have a current of 4.36. And again, this is the same one as I had before, and it's going to work out the resistance there for us. So what I'd like you to do is to do this for all the temperatures. Pause the video now to get your results. Okay, welcome back. So here are our results. Okay, so we have the temperature and the resistance. And again, like we did before, let's draw a graph of these two. Again, control, drag to select more than one column in a go. So we get this on our table. Let's move our chart like so. And again, we have a very similar shape to our LDR. And that as the temperature increases, the resistance of our thermistor decreases. Now these are called NTC thermistors, negative temperature coefficient, and they can be used in systems where you want to be able to respond to temperature. So for example, if you've got an aquarium that needs to be at a certain temperature. Alright, thanks for watching.